People call the cops on their neighbors all the time, but when it's over something small and you're just finishing your shift, the last thing you want is to get dragged into the drama.
Yeah?
North Charleston Police.
Can I help you?
We got a call about yelling and screaming coming from the apartment.
I'm sorry.
We got a call about yelling and screaming coming from the apartment. Are y'all okay?
Yeah.
Gonna come to the door and talk to us at all?
No, you should really tell my neighbors that they're lucky that I don't call the fucking cops on them every time they yell and fucking scream like animals.
Okay, we're done with this. Shut up and have a good night.
Yeah, you too.